Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Today it's selfishly all about me and my sunflowers that have grown to, I would say probably 8 feet. I don't know what's gone on, but they've just got too big. So the wind has been in and they're starting to get a little bit sort of knocked around. And I thought, nope, stop it. I'm going to bring them inside. And I have tried all sorts of ways. I thought, I know what I'll do. I'll put them in the spaghetti jar. That didn't work. Then I thought, I'll put them in a vase. That didn't work. And then I thought, I wonder if I bring these inside and let them dry out, I could have this really lovely arrangement that's continuously changing. So the next thing was, what kind of a container? Don't like the glass, don't like it at all. I found this way at the back of my bunker and I thought, you will do. And then I thought, I'll go to fill it with water, and it's just bisque fired. It's got a big hole at the bottom of it. So if you have an issue like this, what might I suggest is you get a glass vase and stick that down and into there. I'm not going to put water in it at this stage because I've got to carry it upstairs. Now, I looked at it and I thought, now what else could I do with these sunflowers? Because they're not doing anything, and I think if they dry off, I'm going to get seeds, which is going to be beautiful. They're also a little bit all over the place. So I thought, what could I put with it that's going to give me a little bit of movement and is also going to keep them where I want them? Nothing like a little bit of willow. I was going to use some branches off the pear tree, but I thought I better not do that because the pears aren't ready yet. So we'll wait and I'll gather all those sticks when I do the pruning. Okay, now, where are we going to go here? Okay, with these, they are just so long, and I'm just going to put these down. They're still going to flop all over the place, but I think, see that? Did you see that? Whoa, I don't want that to happen. I don't want any falling over. But look at this. I almost want to say that the botanical goddess didn't kind of get this right this year because they're that heavy that they're all got the droop on. But I quite like it with that droop on. I think that, well, not the droop on, they're just too heavy. But I just sort of kind of liked that I could go outside and pick them and bring them inside and have this really lovely display, as I said, that is going to continuously move and dry out and create this beautiful arrangement that I can look at and love. Now, the other thing I need to tell you about these sunflowers is the leaves aren't really very good. I'm going to leave the leaves on for now, and maybe I'm going to have to take those off in due course, but we'll just wait and see. Look at this here. Look at that. What nonsense is this that the botanical world's doing? And all the little petals are coming off, but that's okay. And I'm sort of like, when I was looking at how I was going to do this, I sort of had this moment of, what would Vincent van Gogh do? And I wonder when he was painting his sunflowers, did he have moments like I'm having as a designer, that the petals keep falling off? But aren't they just delicious? Don't even ask me what name it is, but I just thought that I meant to keep the names of everything, but look, it just got away from me. But look at this, how this picture just slowly builds up just by bringing in the odd. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And it's just I might do that because it's going to be viewed from all sides. But isn't this just easy designing and just bringing nature in and just letting it just do whatever it wants to do? They can go up into there. I am going to use this one. See, look, plonk. They're so heavy, but so beautiful to just have sitting on my kitchen table for everybody to enjoy. Hold on, something's happening here because they're just too big. So I have to bring this through here. Right, you can just go down and into there like that. Now that's too tall. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to bring that out, cut that off. Now, I did have a couple of requests last year from people asking what to do with sunflowers. I lost the piece of paper that had that information on it, so I'm apologising right now, but we're getting there. We're answering questions. So that next year, now I actually like it this way, and I need to bring in another branch. So I'm going to bring that down into there because it needs it. And then, I'm going to pull those petals off. And then when I was out in the garden, I saw these tomatoes that I grew. And these also are not ready. And I thought, well, what would they be like in this coming down the side of my container? So just get rid of it. And these here are the most delicious tomatoes. They actually taste like tomatoes used to taste. So if you want to grow something, these black, I think they're called tequila something, are gorgeous. So that can just go into there, not just into this side here. But look at that. Hold on, I've got a wee space here that I don't like. Wait till I fill that space in. I'm going to bring that down and into there, but I'm going to show you exactly what I've done in 1 minute, but I need to just finish this off so that I'm visually happy with the results. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm calling this organically imperfect, but perfectly visually wonderful for this time of the year. I absolutely love it. The other thing is that the tomatoes are going to ripen up. These will hopefully go to seed, and I'll just have something that I can just put other things into throughout the year. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I feel very satisfied that it's going to look good on my table. See you again another day.